Hi, I'm Annette from PartyWow, and today I want to show you another item from our Sesame Street Party range. Today we've got the Party Loot Bags, Sesame Street Party Loot Bags, in a pack of 8. So the Party Loot Bags have Big Bird, Cookie Monster and Elmo on them. They are size just 6.5 inch by just over 9 inch. So basically you get the 8 in the packet, like mentioned, all the same. And they're just your loot bags, so they've got the handle in it, so the children can take that home. At the top it says this loot bag belongs to, and you write the child's name there. And you just put your Sesame Street Party Favours and chocolates or lollies in the bag for people to take home. So that's them. If you have any questions about this item or anything else in the Sesame Street range, please don't hesitate to put me a message below for me. And if you subscribe to me, you'll see more videos to come. Thank you.